wondering what an online on-demand class is. Online simply means all you need is an internet connection to access the entire class. On-demand means that you work at your own schedule. One of my last students to complete my class was from Singapore. Trust me, we were not in the same time zone. I do not know when she listened to my lectures, but I was probably sound asleep because my lectures are pre-recorded. You can access them at your leisure. And you can revisit those lectures anytime you want, over and over. There are handouts to download, and there's a video clip of each massage move. Again, you can watch that as many times as you like. On an online class, you work in your own home with your dogs. And that means there's no travel time, no travel expense. Online, on demand, really should suit your schedule, no matter what that is. I offer several online, on-demand classes, but I'd like to tell you about my Canine Massage Theory and Techniques program. It is 12 modules long, and successful completion means that you receive a certificate as a canine massage practitioner. The first 6 modules, which are depicted here, deal with canine anatomy and physiology. Module 1, Canine Massage and the Body in Balance, talks about several things, including the 11 organ systems. Module 2 goes into more detail about how canine massage affects the nervous system and how the nervous system works. Module 3 talks about the integumentary system. The skin, as you probably know, is the largest organ in the body and obviously is definitely impacted by canine massage. Module 4, the skeletal system, is very important because we know that many dogs have problems with joints and ligaments that need to be addressed by canine massage. Module 5, the muscular system, again is very important because when muscles are achy or don't work right, they affect the whole movement of the dog and therefore can be helped with canine massage. Finally, Module 6 talks about the circulatory system and the lymphatic systems. Canine massage directly affects both of these systems immensely because it can increase circulation of the arteries and veins and also the movement of the lymph in the lymph vessels. All very important to the well-being of the dog. Now that you know what an online class is all about, let's take a little peek at what you might learn as an overview in the nervous system and the muscular system.
First, there's the nervous system. Remember, the nervous system is the master controlling system, and it regulates and maintains body homeostasis. And remember also that I told you there are millions of sensory receptors in the skin alone to gather information, as well as sensory receptors inside the dog's body that gather information. So that's one function of the dog's nervous system. And then all this information that's gathered is integrated in the brain. Action is determined. And so how can massage affect this master controlling system of the body? Simple. Massage is very calming, can be very calming for a dog. Massage can decrease stress. Massage can decrease anxiety. And under certain conditions, certain kinds of massage can stimulate a dog. In other words, get him all pumped, for instance, to go in the agility ring. So massage can have a very definite effect on the nervous system. The muscular system, of course, also has many functions. First, it's very important in producing movement in the dog. It stabilizes joints. It maintains posture in the dog. and it generates heat as it moves. In other words, the chemical reactions that must occur for a muscle to contract and relax generate heat. Massage, of course, has many positive effects on muscles. It can soothe and very sore, achy muscles and make them feel much, much better. And it can decrease the risk of injury in a dog. A dog that's regularly massaged is less likely to have an injury from a sprain or a strain as he runs and plays.
The last 6 modules of canine massage theory and technique are quite different. These teach you how to actually do the canine massage moves. Module 7 is an introduction to the massage techniques, while Module 8 talks specifically about passive touch and effleurage techniques. Module 9 will teach you how to do petrissage, the kneading techniques, and compression. Module 10 is all about friction, warming the muscles. Module 11 is percussion techniques, and Module 12 shows you how to learn to stretch a dog and has a brief video on an entire canine massage to give you an idea of how to put everything together. Now let's take a minute or two to look at some slides from Module 8. They get just a little snippet of the kinds of things that are covered when we talk about effleurage and specifically about the one-handed effleurage technique.
The term effleurage comes from the French word effleure, which means to glide or skim the surface. The name aptly describes techniques that use the open hand to slide over the dog's coat. A frequently employed effleurage move is a long stroking motion that resembles petting, but this is petting with a purpose. Effleurage looks and feels quite gentle, but it yields great rewards throughout a massage session. Effleurage strokes follow the contour of the dog's body and push the tissue down and away from the massage practitioner. Even light to moderate pressure with effleurage warms the underlying tissues, causing the arteries to dilate and increase blood flow. Additional blood brings more oxygen and nutrients to the region. Effleurage also promotes the movement of venous blood to the heart, ridding muscles of excess protein containing extracellular fluid and waste products, like lactic acid. Removal of these wastes refreshes tissues, allowing them to function more efficiently. Properly applied, effleurage has the additional benefit of mechanically stimulating the movement of interstitial fluid. Remember fluid between cells? It sends it into the lymph vessels. Thus, it is an effective aid in reducing swelling by promoting the movement of accumulated interstitial fluid out of a region. This diagram indicates some of the many places where you may wish to use and practice one-handed effleurage. But remember, you're not just placing your hands on the dog's hair and skin, you're influencing what's going on in the underlying muscles, so keep those muscles in mind. One-handed effleurage increases circulation and warms. It can be applied to the face and head. I'm using the whole palmar surface of my hand to gently stroke Hobo's face and head. This is a very relaxing stroke for most dogs. One-handed effleurage can also be applied to the trunk and hip. My long, smooth, gliding strokes along Hobo's trunk look very much like petting. That's why I call one-handed effleurage petting with a purpose. The purpose is to increase circulation and warm the muscles that you are stroking. It's a smooth transition to apply one-handed effleurage to the hip. One-handed effleurage warms.
If you'd like to learn more about canine massage, visit my website, holistictouchtherapy.com. There in the store, you'll find my books, Balance Your Dog, Canine Massage, and Canine Massage for the Athlete in Every Dog. You'll also find my DVD, Canine Massage for the Athlete and Every Dog, that has a video clip of over 30 different massage moves. On the website, you will also be able to look into the online classes that I teach. Have fun with your dog, and remember to always pet with a purpose. I really appreciate the glowing reviews that a number of HTT students, veterinarians, human massage therapists, and others have written about my books, DVD, and online classes. However, I was so pleased to receive an unsolicited testimonial for my newest book, Canine Massage for the Athlete and Every Dog, from Allie, who has to be a true authority on canine massage. Allie isn't here to speak for herself, so I will read what she had to say. Hi, my name is Allie Lewis. I'm a red lab, as you can see by my picture. Pretty cute, don't you agree? I was born outside of Kansas City almost 2 years ago, and I now live in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Here is a letter I wrote to my Aunt Nancy after she recently showed me how much she loves me. If you want to show your favorite canine how much you love him or her, send them Canine Massage for the Athlete and Every Dog by Sue Furman. This is the thank you note Allie wrote to her aunt. Dear Aunt Nancy, thank you for the very cool book. I can really use a massage after all the fetching I've been doing. Dove season opens in 2 weeks, so this will be great. Love, Allie.